Ebusafo higher GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Ena Mede Bremo. Anuti, so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, or best subscribe. The way I say, over click a year the subscribe button, now a barely notification. We answer video for Frobia by upload, when the first person I want sa Ebeka ASR video. A few we are da like video, give us a thumbs up, Nafi. Shema wo fufro sora wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanom afi tentema ye hwe ye ensemo a abeto yepno so eye Calvin Taylor kiti wo de ensemo tudwa eye illegal immigrant a one America ye nyina ni meye Donald Trump ni abriye pa ya chese eye illegal immigrant yi chese ye so mo ye de omukuru ano no chese kabo na chese ye de woko eye ukuru mu no na ko ye nsem bebre Ghana fododo na abohu ama bebre crash de ma won ntimi MP na no na Calvin Taylor babonte o chese ukura list no Ghana fo miamia bebre won nyina so ni mum nyina ene Calvin de nsem bebre atodwa me pese mechanism no tentemara yenko eye na kachi na yenkuti ensem ye geti edi tudwa ye Ghana fo a sese wan ho akadwa mu no yenkuti Calvin nsem a wode tudwa enti no
ni bora de babero o ye Kennedy Agyapong executives ni baako ena Bawumia mu twi ni di ye o se Kevin J mo mo kofie nkwasiafo gu krom ha di nkwasiasem enti ma menkyere mo form so se na tie ena picture no bo Besides, you said I should show them the first page. Okay. My team said for now the main the first page of omo forms no I me say yes I can register time I dey waste 30 ya besides me fan chire mo beku fie for ken enti NPP for no omo registration form US dey I want details nyina wo enti so pick omo form now that's how it looks I had criminals you they are all criminals omo nyina enti so be omo first page na NPP USA incorporated membership application form. Yawo this pages ni nyina omo phone numbers omo contact yo ni nyina address ni ade this is how it looks enti esia no ye ba be ko ye de I think Monday and ye be present ya ma ice first page ba ku bia sebere page ba ku bia nipa be trend na wo omo dosu yie enama ba wa dwanwa wa yo odem wa soko na mape NPP mwe gozo be kofie wa so wa dwanwa esia no omo page ni say na tie mo me de ka bi chara me say me miam wa mo combat me miam mo na bewu enti NPP for forms no say na tie enti wo check forms na when you read the forms maybe am the first page in be kire obi an din wo me be kire mo we are taking the time ya adwuma no mo nyam be kofie mo de TikTok na mo jimi personal information into kosro na left side wa our personal information guo your prefix Mr. Miss or first and second name cell phone or home address nickname middle name primary email alternative email state our zip code city and address ninyina first one no we have the information omo feeling ninyina omo feel nipa na odema be no na oye Kennedy Agyapong nipa e na obutwi di ye na ok executives no se Kevin J mo ko fie Adria Mestre. Ni bora de babero. Oya Kennedy Agyapong executives ni baako. Ena Bawumia mu twi di ye. O se Kevin J. Mo mu kofie nkwasiafo gu krom ha di nkwasiasem. Enti ma menkyere mo forms se na tie. Ena picture no bo ho. Wo hwe right one top right. Picture ne ho ne bo. Oba down kakra obehu chapter membership eno so ya tro. Enti on. So free aya big box na sene kakra na. Ma me enlarge na menkyere wade bi. Baby danger no woni ni. Aha say. Bon baby danger no wori. Free box na asioro ya tro citizenship check what applies it's ya already it's NPP before free box no mu na usanif down ho bibi na ho no citizenship check what applies and you what citizen of Ghana dual citizen, US citizen, and others no doors fucking. Now what got ticket a citizen or dual citizenship and a US citizen, your name so in Kratano. O correct, young found tina play you be butu and move for America Bagana. Now so what American oboa. Ain't the document in ye and they were less than no. It's yen ya grow a month for be coffee, me mean tro, you go home. Me and ya from me mentia sorry. Mementia sorry. Yeah, wicked Nadia Denam intimate now. Into down why you see this branch executive into position a bohono chairman, vice chairman, na registration and annual membership into our forms in yandi ye concentration wo citizenship others den aha enti forms no wa ha. I am going to publish the first page, second page, me publish obi ade ni ahwe de apeke ama no moa yetumfo amonte me kyerem wicked wo wiase mo chai ma wontumi no wen na na bi no wen me se sa mo kwase afo no omo nyina wen me kyerem wicked munim sa anwom no wicked sabo muntantie raga wicked wicked me kyerem wicked munim we sabo musisi so jazifo. All right, now mesneche I iti wedding catch like let's do the do mo hey mo de munim de ba ka bunyina mada poultry farm we any agenda 111 we difference be no mo beko fie mema Trump de makọ mo nyina mo beko fie because we say mo mudodo na NPP for mo jimi na mo gu abrochi Uzbekistan poultry farm na wo me lefty and agenda 111 na wo me right no into difference be na wo agenda 111 na Bawumia na Akufo Addo de buy any Uzbekistan poultry farm tell me difference wo mo NPP for mo jimi mo NPP for mo gu abrochi mo dodo no mo jimi ye mo beko fie me ka bibia me hu se mo jimi mo beko fie me bukrefu NPP for a mo wa abrochi America mo nyina mo ko fie wa wonim say ya kire wodin wo registered him. I have it. I've been given a copy and I'm not going to lie. I have decided to let ICE come after you. My make sure state cry ni nyina ebeka yensa and me ba be publish it. You mo nyina mo ko fie mo jimi obi the Uzbekistan poultry farm be kire mo say we see agenda 11 na mo di jimi ti abroche say ene ye ntiase de na won tiase unjimi ya de na won tiase. To me, I want to say this, and me fancy obia Ohio State. I have molest MPP register membership. Oba eyedian Worcester sa area hono moso me wo mo register. New York me wo mo register. Moba Maryland, Virginia, Washington DC me wo mo register. Mo wo eye besides I baby back queen. And that was the sixth one. Let me check. Besides that, the sixth one was which one? We have Ohio, we have Massachusetts, we have New York, that is 3. We have Maryland, DC, and Virginia. That is 6. But also there's a 7th one. Yes, get me that one. More states in no. You register no. We are going to give it to ICE. Head count, head back could be a per head 700. Me menje 700. 30 Ghana infantini. Me ko carrot abewe. $30 for one. Me make a chom se me pe. Some would some way Jimmy. Mubeko fie to say more na election time. Mudi mudiako ye de impossible ye ni krata o de me yamfa kakrantum na yama Akufo Addo former for nana and it is possible. Mube yano ye bebo mu punu banyan. Me say muda ho from next week mubeti banyan. Now one of my guys so NPP na so NDC. We have it. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you. Oh, okay. It was in the second one. Matchiramu me mitimi adibuta. Oh, today I'm tana me stressre. Na me cancer na me stre me ye wicked. Ade a mempe any e better da jollof. And the metchusu jollof over better da Ghana jollof. It me no me better da Mint New Jersey. Thank you. That is it. Thank you, Mr. S. I got it. New Jersey. Yeah. New York, New Jersey, and New Jersey never come on 7. No, thank you, team. You delayed because it was in the email. Yeah. Come here, my cat. Nipan credit on the Sunday here. New Jersey. Mom was Jesse, New Jersey. Jersey. I hope bone rough with all due respect. So first, no, Italian mafia. No, mukuni po New York. I want to to. Didn't want Fred dumpster no. New York. The Italian mafia. So mukuni pa number to New Jersey. The first New Jersey no be anti ho. I will call New Jersey River nipo bo wudi dem. I hope bon. Ufri DC bad New Jersey. We do animation knows my hope bon. San me twem. Aye. It's Jersey. Me say about bomu demu bandai. So my yimu 90% Akufo Addo me kusie. Me. Muni di ebesi. Me say. Me infant temo me ye. Because mumu bino. So man Akufo anko tena ade ne Akufo Addo ja wo mu na mo betena broche didi nkwasi asem. Enti on Endra say na me nim tim na me te na me TikTok na me tie omo na mo keka nkwasi asem se mo. La yi mo hu se me mabodam. E kire mo henfo ne pa achew. Echere mukuro ma hemfo ebebu nkotodwe oh yesrew ye nananom hwe enokura mi ntie echere me class 2 girlfriend ono so owo Vietnam tage no echere mo kohwehwe no owo Vietnam wa ware Vietnam ni ai echere mo kohwehwe me class 2 girl bi na me feel pa owo Vietnam wa ware Vietnam oteguchi me eho no wo guchi me echere mo kokuchi me ekohwehwe no ho ene ni di nkomo me a wicked brutal. Now, one steady me chair. You have a bomb down with bandang. But some of Sasha, good evening, sir. I, Sasha, how you can pay. Aravu, I'll be a wicked rough. Aravu, police. Jai. Obo Prima gang, not in Sasha. Hello, are you there? Yes, hello. What's your name? Sasha, how you can papa. Yadwaya, Hanam. Yadu be Hanam, Winim Hanam. I, ha, yo. Me see omo baswa omo ba ko gina get right na ba ko gina left no ma say no I ready na de oye you know oboma gang o she gloves ma me chim de omo she omo ba ko she gloves wa omo she gloves wa ha e no ma she ice no e gray into what the groma mu hu omo car normally omo ba a black car ai omo tan show light no e wi ade omo show ba a black obo say na aye mirror bi tua ho sa de bia no American cars na a Ford e no mu use omo be ba omo ba bom gang. Ojina Getrude in Sasha ha. Ubios, good evening, sir. Are you Mr. Kranting? Oh yes, pa. What's that? Why you ready? Yane, you wicked. Jack, go for it. The deeper medium. Jack, mama charge. Mube coffee. Namo, I can't say me say. Wicked abadi patrimuno. Ayo rade jankopon. Omo mia bulletproof. Omo mia handcuffs, omo bia pepper spray, omo mia tuo a load 88. Ai, ena bakusha, ena neti ha no. Wasa de bakwa bia chiro ho, etuo. Ena so bulletproof. Ena bema tinting. We jana bodwe kakrebo a wicked. Ono oba no wedi nkan abobbo eye de milk ni bi na ase na body afa de trim. Into jina wa bandan. Uchi uba hwe hu ye. Uchi uba hwe hu ye. Ofa nipa na hwe so na kosi nipa de ko fie. Uchi left hwe hu ye ofa dipa membia nwom ne kese kakra udi obusia uchi ka hwe hu ye memfa nkotwo bi because uchi uba na left na nkotwo bi asamaba uchi America uchi truck and uchi taxi hwe hu ye you very careful especially bronze for na muji taxi rough no mudu light agina ukotwa light we obafie kwabena jai taxi ni twina tena fie yo Messi dey mo amuchi taxi no mo amuchi Bronx amuchi yellow cab no sa yellow taxi no mo so na mo nam light him wi Messi se amuchi te light ho like yellow na e wo 2 months gina ho na man so green gina so be 3 minutes and sana wo twem ya ho ye de nim timing ya time light no ye nim ha utwem abeto quick and no efie media mi tumofo obetale we and there is a wo ya ho hwie nyeye oba so gina ha Obi, stay in the car. How are you? Do you know you run the light? So, say I don't know. Okay. License and registration. Okay, or say self-defense. Then I'll man prepare. You can say you license, bra. No, didn't kind on such. Are you legit? I say bring a license. Kakra, Jimmy. You be cool to watch me. Into the beyond say or mama say into NPP for register about mo be coffee. Mo amuti Maryland no your friend baby get me the name girl area where your friend was saying spider get me the name girl area baby o won wure mu your from Maryland ye wure mu hoyi some nya address na afena me be suma yes 750 men jekese 30 girl here Maryland TV so kan kwasese bia na ha omo de ane de atum dada do Oh, yeah, you're frozen. Oh, girl, you did it, but see, her so be a legit to Krum ha. Now, send your bell legit to him. Ya Jessica, do ya legit. Oh, Bano, then in our buyer, then I'll see so am I so and just for spring. Eh. Oh, many baby Americano. Oh, Yenny Mun in our dress. It is yellow, Buggers, NPP for Obrica Pimwa, Tinem Manipa, men quiet. Hey, call it like your insurance company, men quiet, and I'll be coffee. Obi the Pimwo to us. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, the car Pimboga car to pause. Oh, it's okay. It's good. See, we have about hey, where's your insurance and what is the deal? Ube coffee, see, into the Pimwo car to them. Nani Panabao, oh, no problem. It's okay. We are Christians. Also, no. We need to call your insurance. No, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I'll have a body shop. I'll go. Also, no, I'll force the baby. I don't insist. The more otchere, no police for neighbor. Into two done. Ya de apem okura to dwane. Enye sa ubedem. Ya udem no ya de ubefi. Enti mo amudwitwi yellow cab no taxi for mo na mani mo ho pa. Se obi de pem wa ka che dipan say we are all Christians and go. Men gina ho abrofo no de omdu twu kitu bi obaba be gina ho. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. I can give you my insurance card and don't do it. Catch and say it's okay. I'll take care of. I have body shop. Oh, it is in the man you need yano. Abrofo yankophobia. Oh, pamo okura no mo da ho ba. Into our house, so please, I'm sorry, it's fine, it's okay. You be a good guy, you know, have a wonderful day. For a wonderful day, one for the wonderful days, and I'm fat. Oh, come and go straight. Wom. Munina Bokofi, Munina, Bidi Munina Bokofi. Every man, I feel I'm better than for be a fucking wicked. Every day I go. On say most like Joe, or the who plane, Nipado do ever. On say, I shall grow. Mumba uni pado do mbeba. No mo ba me ni omo beba ye duru airport ye hanke him omo no mo ba no de to pada gumu so kwasiafo muti kroma mai se nwan na men saka bo register no somebody mu din hye ho he na me de kire mo register no na mo dwin mo ye Kevin Taylor information ni nyina information ni nyina baby I am done citizenship check what applies you citizen of Ghana. You are a dual citizen, and you are US citizen, any others in the here me. Obiabe pruvi. More in this NPP for Mechiram wicked. Greenbelt, Maryland, sa area ho. Yabe bomu punum. Near Busan would say, are you legit or say I just came recently and we got married. Ya over trasi. Now sa bema na uji sikana obati ufie na no sa no ma me say wo sa bema no wo so beto ane na kofie ye bebu sa say how did the relationship start uji sika wari kurom ha me under me watch ye bebom panyan where's the address? Let me show you where the address is. Me a fucking guy mama me kasa kra cha na me Bowie Maryland Bowie a honesi a dino Bowie na Maryland hey Raddy Kevin Ayanwa. Bowie, Maryland, baby, we're from Bowie. I know the house, I know the address. People will have to prove themselves how they got here and what made them legit. My bodam. Mahamadu Bawumia me chiramu me bot me bo address achiramu. Oh, I didn't buy a last no. I want to mention Uni legit manu di kroma na munim de eba ye de eba suma ebeduru a na mo nkasa mo kyerɛkyerɛm Bowie ye be suma ebeduru a na mo kyerɛkyerɛm ai ye de eba ma mo pass so mo betima break ya na so mo bechi ball no me ya penalty na so indirect kick ye de ye be ma pass no ye be hwe de be so kroma Bowie mabo omo mo to no munim de America mo a mo de mo dan the basement ama rent no you know me, I know everybody's room. Me minimum beer status of Chrome ha. You better direct it. Yes, $700. Me here $700. Me the $30 per infantini me the koto carrot. Na ma tom fante dokun kakra na me twitwa. Oba banam te me ho me ba me mante ani awe. They say what's this? Me man to pick up from te ya we kakra na twitwa dokun kakra shito. Ah me na me man sa. Yetumi we carrot. Oba say nkura ai kakra. Ya de mo beji carrot ka ma. Moa. Bowie, ye ba ho. Into Mosaria, and at the end, overcome to Twitter, a TikTok, Jimmy Moho, and a wait dear, Trump and Yadia, Trump, Aden, Anna Ufri. Obaha, a Kwabena of Obaha, Ukromuniho, Bakwainiho, and Yanchirimuniho, NPP trust one to no Kruman Bobra. Adana over the other hot higher then. Ko Krum. Mo. If a man come to Ghana, no. If your man come to Ghana for the men will come to Ghana very soon. Mr. S, give me the green light. I've been going back and forth with my team. They are insisting I need to present the document before I show it on TV. But Mr. S, I can just present it. And when I go there, and Mr. S is insisting, boss, present it first before you show it on TV. But I want to present some. Maybe say, you see, there's something I want to do. Maybe say Ghana for who BB. Send a bear omo kasa omo be dwene ho. Mr. P, Mr. S, I want to put one page, and then after that page, we can take it out. Yes, that's what I want to do. There's a problem with P and S. Mr. S said no. Mr. P said we should. I want to just put one on the screen for people to know, because we need to let my team is insisting, say we should first present it to ICE. We should just email it first, and then after that, I can put it out because people will change their location. But besides, Mr. P, I don't care, because when they change their location, they're still going to come back home. Because some of them, they have their workplace on it, they have their address. So why? I think Mr. P has a point. He's saying, say, in fact, the anonymous phone line no crampono, you need to stay anonymous. And he believes, say, when we send the list, after it's been sent, then we can at least put it out. Because at this point, we want to present it as anonymous people, like we don't want to show face. So Mr. P believes that it's better legally, we should present it. When I present it, then basically it has been made official. So I can come out and put it out. So it makes sense. He has a point. Because obviously, Omoka say in conform free without saying where they are calling from, their name, they just have to give concrete evidence. Omo corners omuchinipana is $700. Now, Mr. Eskaze says, if I put it out, that means I am breaking that rule. So it's better we send it. After we send it, then at least it's already sent. It's in the system. I can actually come out with, but we have the list. So that's what my team back and forth, And I believe Mr. P has a point in this. But the list that we have, we will present it. It's very, very important. Iti omo monitor mo Facebook. Oh, yakoshia, ya 100. Ya di wechi or kasa omechimu nyina. Because they can just they can just do when they say they'll just pick. It's easy. It is easy to ping everybody. Maybe our into omo monitor, and they are doing it. They are doing it. It's mentioned say, and I'm Mr. TikTok echina obecho mobako. Right now, no, majority of Ghanaians person nyina moko fie ko boa na ye chechere Ghana. Jo mahama nkwan tumi nye. NDC nkwan tumi nye. Most of them kwa kakra nko so abini, ebi mu ko so adwonso, ebi mu ko twiga tem. De bad boys de. Monko ye bi. Na ye nyina ye fa chechere man no. Come to Ghana na ato amono. Come to Ghana. If your man come to Ghana, I'm going with you. Mum ye me yanko. Ye nyina yaka kontium. Mum ye nyina yanko ne yanko boa na Ghana ye chechere. Yanko to toilet mu. Say bogus, yanko ye to the force akọ. Yanko tene fie. Come to Ghana, no time they do. It is time for come to Ghana. When your friend coming to America, when they say they're coming to Ghana, into your sremo, you better drop a list, you better ice. Me pay $700 bia, but I want to set some example. Be send a bear nipe biti krom ha. They will understand. They say I will say a chichiri ye crew and sana. You better no be crew make kan kwasi asem. Nipa dodo ana Kennedy Agyapong ba America so the Kevin Kokon mubo sedo. Mumu 90% remove ko fie. I'm telling you. Mo amoyesha shenko fiofia amo se moye living. Ya de yakotena abrewe bi nchen. Mo kura de moye easy. Your list all that we will do is we will visit your nursing company. We know where you are. Mo amoden krofon krata bronze fo bebre. Moden krofon krata living. Ye nimu nyina. We will pick you people up. Oba kona broni no. Se broni na hotel in Busa say, have you heard what Trump is doing? Oba reporto. The day I'll patient, I've heard that Trump is deporting. Or catch us at the channel power franco for Mama Befow. mo am living now mo tete mo so na mo ti radio ho na mo frɛ peace of keka nkwase asɛm no emre na du coming to Ghana na nie emre na du enti chat na to enti sa we are living now na wo hwɛ broni baabi na de bia wokɔ obi krata na de adwuma mo ma employ illegal for gu krom ha da enkɔfo krata ba mo yɛ adwuma no living for no mo na ye bɛkye more. Because oh, did you watch the news yesterday? I say, yeah, Trump is doing something terrible. Obefre police. Obefre police are just $700 na share ho. Police so what is wrong? What is wrong? What's going on? What's going on? When some so, hello mom, I'm sorry, we have to pick this lady out. So what is going on? Why just 700? What? Me go for. I don't forget me go for. Omomo the wicked no na mu say diplomatic wicked. Bro nya bre one na on the to de bia wo tete to toilet no opɛ $700 no obɛfrɛ ice for bom kring o say Jennifer open the door onim dia ba waje check asha to open the door Jennifer it was ice for about hello madam good evening who is in charge of this place so my madam is here also who is that why is about bro waje do asha waje do atu ye who is it also we are from ICE. We just want to check if everything's all right here. Your nurse, is she a citizen? Is she legit? I said, so Rebecca, show them your paper. Show them your ID. Why no? Why just 700 shot to or play or boy now? But I say, Rebecca, yes, she's legit. She's legit. Show them the document. Rebecca, I told you, you're from Abna Watima. What was it from Rebecca Hansen? Why didn't find to 14 the Eddie Juma Brucci? At radio to Kankwasam. Your fro, Eddie, I do attend. What about Rebecca Hansen? Pepper now all day yet living. And also out to TV so to radio so Kankwasam Chame. And Brenna because at the end of the day, Ustadi pa apeke. Come to Ghana. We all go to Ghana together. Africa market too. Oma surround you omo. Ya chili party sem confirm. What? What? And that's about to. Me so kwari aji go voir. Asa kuko. She. Iya, you can be tell her boy. Ya ti NPP. Me see ya chop sa kuko. What is it? I said no. Obu kuta boto. As for Obobo Gutaboto, Yatwitting over Yatini Pasakoko, Africa market to Elmo Chinko for Sakuko. Hey, Umida, where a real is in there, Uko Home Depot, Momo, Okodi and the Kmat. Hey, yet as for Obobo Gutaboto Kabakuboto, Yatwitty Pasha Botom to Sabua, Yatu Sakuko. Was it? I pick it. Mube Kofi. Your list require from my your list na ye de buy no. And buy where Africa market to. La migra. And the case la migration as Spanish in la migra. La sonto la migra. They say one for caliente, fast, hot. La migra caliente. Ye chinko for hot. Ye chili pasha bottom disakoko. La migration. Akwano just immigration aba. La migra. Ice for no. Mo be shed them ko mo be dimo kumo. Musimo tumi pie. Hey, na nse kra order food it tumi di akire be chew. Hey! Trump, oh crazy. Trump, utumi order aduane wa Africa market. Na e di aduane na chi aba. Oh was a green ubi as we are here. You ordered Ghana food. Utumi ebia boga kwalo dokuno ingrani. Open dokuno ni mogo kakra. Wa she dem ache. We ni ma ho ya intinka wo order. Ebi Africa restaurant mo fa kakobroni famra me. What one kwa did you order kenke e wan say kura dokurinti e do be kofie dokuno mo amupe ene ye de bebufuo I add pepper I immigration la migration o me de akira ba enti mo sorry ne order ye de enko abontene ye be order hwe o me de akira ba na so order udi tare ho no matare ho they say o ma say o ma start adjoin Uber food o ma ka Uber eat ho unim trampo ho Uber Eats say odoma ka ho immigration for no omno mo pick aduane no nje sia no oma hyeda mo young boys no de sa state agencies undercover cops no oma register Uber Eats into oma register Africa market any Africa restaurant in mo pick aduane on your bar so be pick delivery guy or pick or the break kwame amwako ye de ma wa kwa Boss and Ofori Atta, Chimunina, come back Demoba bre, Mohoba Titimo, Motoba Titi, a janka for bre, Mohumba Papamo. Muba some work of take kind bafu, Modiba Wom because I'm say let's if your man come to Ghana. Me say Moba bre, Moba Titi, or Yaw ebe gumus a soon ebe hinimo. La migration. I me say election has consequences. You catch them one tick. $750 a dose for fucking. Akata for no. Omo mo drag no. Omo chukumu nyina. Akata for no mo pe omo bo drag no. Onya $750 be. Or be party, grill party. Enti wa wudi makata ni bia statisu. Because omo no obo wi na wenya whisker. Obo ka che police za wo sha. Obeji $750 akodi. Akata. Unimakata. Akata nsure huhuro. Ebi amonte be. Ebi amonte French. La akatalon et pantalon le hoté. Akata omun nsure huhuro. Ewi akete no sha jacket. Mo amu akata namfofo no munum wi na ombo crack no. Omu no meka che police for mo sha $750. Odo be gi easy. Me se wo sha dem kura wo honto. Wo sha dem a wo honto. Akata fo no be yiwa ma. Ene ye pe fufuo ma ye oda fufuo na opede TZ yenko be bia o omo de akire yesi omo no mo peke into omo shada ma Spanish for no mo government mu no omo ye police for ICE for no omo no mo register for Uber Eats me ma mo trick no snitch na me snitch no mo beba fie ade ne de obekọ de obeye bia obekọ nti me ma me kan kire o se sia no mo amota pe monum ye mo de ai mo amonu ye mo de o de petrofi kakra chofi fo no enkranfo na mo tete America no mo na mo petrofi fa chofi okay chofi kakra no esa chofi eta just asa oh chofi e comic mo san kranfo na monum de bia ye petrofi na mo chofi brem na mo te ho mo keka nkwase asa mo kranfo no mo to bi chofi no mo gu akire kwase asa mo nko a ye tu mo fo mo nte enkranfo no de o ma dem ni mo no guys no omo timi chichofi no ma oda chofi no mo tamo mo be kofie mo sa ankran for no sa ankran ni bi wo paper okroba no invite to say be di chofi ofie men ko obese ye de ko otowa no say okay odo kwa je $750 minim de make akire mo sa ankran ni bi ye chofi wo ni fie no ye dokono no ka say ba kenke oboa odo wa je $750 uwura wa I say ka say I don't know odo be ko odo be je so akasa mo ye 10 na mo mbra oboa $7,000 Ghana oboa mamu nko me mamu me boa mo by a list so de beto abontene because I didn't pick it obi anko di krom ye nyina obi anko di krom na afa ye nya America fo krom mo ne aso yanko tene krom ye nko chichire ye Ghana yapon good night aboatwe I'll see you sometime hey kan be pon so asam ne ha me ehu ba baby asisi ano je say Mobeko. La migration? No, Mobeko. Because unim Mobeko. Especially more we home living in the Bibrembo fee. Oh yeah, because in the American government, omo intelligence bibreu. Omo Africans and say Togo for so omo botri pa. Omo say Togo for omo petribo, omo bowi, omo chi omo. Oh yeah, mo be transfer mo djuma nyina kugu fie se nkofo mbra fie mebo mutri no ma say case no le jour et la platon et la home et le vagin mo ma transfer nkofo so come home and do it and no cry menye biem don't do that they will take you home omunim say Ghana for yenum ye de ye pe party ye pe eye hey eye onu say Ghana for so mo ye nipa bia mo pediane de bia de pese nke kotodo kunu wo ho I am a African market in Juma say a hammy. But God being so good, no, your Spanish phobia to African market you are living to almost no yame or bomo. But more Ghana for no. More Sato go for a boat, Mamma Biamba Mufi, a chemo. Ghana for no abrofone stadium, he, or matnas omonim de muye now am kruma. They know. I saw for na more Ghana Hana Sunday. Na my suit judging go for Zicano, Mobeko Fija. He, issue in the says, oh, yes, so now we krum ha. Now we nimsa sorry now we da no. Majority of the people are immigrants. And now we da man na o protect you ma wo sofo no. Who could American passport kra beji. Share. Do you know what is going on? Because you are harboring immigrants. Because they have been there and you know some of them don't have documentation. Into most of na mugugu America hana matete sorry. Yeah, dear your bompaye and a Sunday no imagine go for some sika and me say omo ba omo lock gate now. Omo catch you are the source. You are harboring immigrants. Into what's no? So ukuta American passport card, they will find a way to take it from you. Why are you harboring these people? Why are you encouraging them? Why are you encouraging them to stay here? Why are you telling them that there's hope? Hey, what's no? They'll take your passport from you. May catch them. May nyoma minimuno. Adena ekesio. Apikia mane pai.
Yo, waiting for winning and some way KT Kevin Taylor at the Atuja ye Ghana for one of America as say I am Sembi just say a Chiwa not just say a Bokabo a Doba Ukrum illegal immigrant and Nakoye and Sembi and Nuna KTD and some Dodonara Atuja. Macau say so when you subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe Nafi while I give video to give us a thumbs up Nafi share my Wofufrosona when you be here now and somewhere Elcoso Ewo Ghana memoir. Also bet me atchere wadwin afaye and some way now I comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.